At its core, Sage Intacct is a comprehensive cloud-based financial management platform designed to streamline and automate a wide range of accounting and financial processes. Unlike traditional on-premises accounting software, Sage Intacct leverages the power of the cloud to offer enhanced accessibility, scalability, and real-time visibility into a company's financial health. Its modular design allows businesses to select and implement the specific functionalities they need, tailoring the system to their unique requirements. One of the primary uses of Sage Intacct is core accounting. This encompasses fundamental accounting tasks such as managing the general ledger, accounts payable, AP, and accounts receivable, AR. The software provides a centralized platform for recording financial transactions, tracking expenses, and managing invoices. Its robust general ledger allows for detailed chart of accounts management, enabling businesses to categorize and analyze their financial data effectively. The AP module streamlines the process of managing vendor bills and payments, while the AR module helps businesses efficiently track and collect payments from customers. Beyond core accounting, Sage Intacct offers powerful capabilities for financial reporting and analysis. In today's data-driven world, having timely and accurate financial reports is crucial for informed decision-making. Sage Intacct provides a wide array of customizable reports, allowing businesses to gain deep insights into their financial performance. Users can generate income statements, balance sheets, cash flow statements, and various other reports tailored to their specific needs. The software's dimensional accounting capabilities further enhance reporting by allowing businesses to track financial data across different dimensions such as departments, projects, customers, and locations. This granular level of reporting provides a much clearer picture of profitability and performance across different segments of the business. Another significant application of Sage Intacct is in managing cash flow. Efficient cash flow management is vital for the survival and growth of any business. Sage Intacct provides tools to monitor cash inflows and outflows, forecast future cash positions, and optimize working capital. By providing real-time visibility into cash balances and projected cash flows, the software empowers businesses to make proactive decisions to ensure they have sufficient funds to meet their obligations and invest in future opportunities. For businesses involved in project-based work, Sage Intacct offers robust project accounting features. This functionality allows businesses to track project costs, revenues, and profitability in detail. It enables project managers to monitor budgets, track billable hours and expenses, and generate accurate invoices for clients. The project accounting module provides valuable insights into project performance, helping businesses identify profitable projects and areas for improvement. This is particularly valuable for consultancies, construction firms, and other organizations where projects are central to their operations. Sage Intacct also excels in revenue recognition. With evolving accounting standards, particularly ASC 606, accurate and compliant revenue recognition has become increasingly complex. Sage Intacct provides features to automate and manage the revenue recognition process based on various triggers and contract terms. This ensures that businesses are recognizing revenue in accordance with the applicable accounting standards, reducing the risk of errors and ensuring financial compliance. Furthermore, Sage Intacct offers strong multi-currency management capabilities. For businesses operating internationally, dealing with transactions in multiple currencies can be a significant challenge. Sage Intacct simplifies this process by allowing businesses to manage transactions, track balances, and generate reports in multiple currencies. It automatically handles currency conversions and provides